Yo, hello everyone. How are you guys doing? Hope you guys are good. Come on, everybody. Welcome to today's live stream. Israel the trader speaking. So let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get to work, man. Today being Sunday. Monday rather, not Sunday. Sorry for that. Today is Monday, not Sunday. So we are about to get things started. Um, this is going to be a London live trading, which is this London session. And we're going to be trading some of our GBPUSD and stuffs like that. So let's get ready. So that we can all make money trading Forex, right? I know that it's not easy, but it's achievable. And if we can do it, you can do it as well. You remember that I'm not the only person that is, making money trading Forex and stuff like that. Let's get it, bro. Okay, JK is saying let's get it. All right. Rema is saying yeah, let's go, man. So yeah, a quick note, guys. So before we get started, if you have any particular pair that you want me to analyze for you, I'm giving you this chance so they can just send it in the live chat section, and I will be able to check it out for you. Also, if you are new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel and share this video with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to click on the like button in order for you to like this video, man, because that's the only way you can show some love to ITT, right? All right, guys. So let me share the link with free Telegram students and also VIP and premium students, so that they will be able to come and join us live and right here on YouTube as well. You know what I mean? So let's get it, man. So I'm sending it now to them so that they can come and join us as well. Very, very important. All right. So I just sent it. So in the meantime, they'll come and join us live and direct here on YouTube. All right. Okay, guys. So yeah, like I said that this is London session live trading. So we will start by GBPUSD. So you can see that this is GBPJPY. Well, I'm still holding my GBPJPY. If you are following me on Telegram, you'll be able to know, Telegram and Instagram anyway, you'll be able to know that I'm still holding my GBPJPY trade, right? So it is very, very important for you to know exactly why I'm holding this trade and stuffs like that, right? Okay, guys. Like I said, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. It is very, very important, guys. Okay, so now this is GJ, and like I said, I'm still holding this GBPJPY. So but I was looking at trading this particular pair today, being AUDUSD. First and foremost, let's check what's happening in the USD market fundamentally, right? Okay, we don't have any news on USD for now, so it's going to be in about 7 hours. So that's going to be around around the New York session. So if I'm still available, we'll try and do a live stream during New York session as well, because right now I'm back on trading, guys. We'll trade back to back, so which basically means that I'm not going on any business schedule or whatsoever. Hopefully this week, or let's just see, anyway, maybe this week I'm not planning to do any other thing than trading Forex, right? Let's get it, man. Okay, so this is USD. This is AUDUSD right now, and if you attended our live stream yesterday, you will be able to know that I did some analysis and I spoke to you guys regarding this particular pair, saying that when it comes down to this point, I'm going to go long on AUDUSD, but nevertheless, the market can still come down to this point like this before it will eventually go back up to the upside, right? So let's just try and see what exactly is going to happen in the meantime on AUDUSD. You can see it's gonna go up for about 250 pips. So yeah, like I said, I'm keeping my eye on AUDUSD USD, guys. So I don't know if you guys are planning to trade this particular pair as well, but like I said, I want to trade this, man. Trading this, so very soon we are going to you know, make some profit on AUDUSD as well. But right now, I'm planning to go long on AUDUSD if it eventually come back down to where you see my R is, or to my next support level, which is around price 0.73139. So that's where my support level is on AUDUSD, right? So right now I'm not on this particular trade, so but I can put my long position right there. So this is where my final take profit is gonna be. So I can put my stop loss below this support level, below this here support level. So it's gonna be for, let's see, okay, it's gonna be for 60 pips. So let's see if the market eventually come down to this point before we are going to buy right there, right? So okay guys, that's what I'm seeing on AUDUSD, and of course I'm still waiting for it to give me a perfect entry point before I get in and start to trade this particular pair, you know. So it is very important for you to follow your strategy, follow your trading plan and stuff like that. Don't randomly get into any trade, guys. Don't randomly get into any trade or get out of trade, you know, because each trade that you're taking, you are supposed to have a trading plan for that particular trade whereby you are getting in, right? Okay, so like I said, don't forget that you know, you can send any particular pair that you want me to analyze for you. You can do that right now in the live chat section, and also check down in the description of this video. You'll be able to see my Instagram handle, Telegram, Twitter, and stuff like that. Make sure you follow us on all of our social media platforms or social media handles so that we can be connected on all of our social media handles, right? It is very important, guys. Okay, so let's go back down to our AUDUSD. So you can see it's still playing around this area. So let's just see maybe in few hours or in 2 hours where this 4-hour time frame candle will close. So it's gonna close in about 1 hour 37 minutes. So let's just wait for it to close before we'll determine where exactly this particular pair to go when the market eventually make the move, right? So you can see that's about 37 pips and stuff like that. So no need for us to get in on this particular pair being AUDUSD right at the moment. Okay guys, so let's go down and check some different pairs. So that let's just check EURUSD. Okay, EURUSD is the same thing as well, but you know, no need for me to get in for a buy on EURUSD. You guys remember last time that I did analysis on EURUSD saying that it's gonna come down for a sell. So now it's moving down to the downside right at the moment, so you know exactly what to expect and stuff like that on this very pair being EURUSD, right? So all right, so that's that about EURUSD as well. Let's just see which trade to take during this London session. Okay, AUDUSD. You see from here I said that it's gonna buy the other time, so it bought, but now it's coming down for a retracement, so we have to wait for it to come down to the support level before gonna go up for a buy on EURUSD. So yeah, let's just wait and see what exactly is gonna happen on EURUSD. So no need to buy this, rather than wait for a retracement to happen before you can either sell it or buy it. But in this case now, if it come back up to retest to this level, I might sell it, so that it's gonna go down to the support level, which is around price 1.16655. That's where my support level is going to be on this particular pair being a EURUSD, right? So you guys can see there's no perfect entry point this morning, so I'm just trying to look out for which pair to trade. So you guys can see, you know, I basically trade everything in the market. So anyone that I'm seeing a very good setup and I'm seeing a very good perfect entry point, then I'm going to regard that as my pair to trade, right? So you can see this market broke out of this support level, this was a resistance right here. You know that in an uptrending market, support, resistance is turning to support, resistance is turning to support in an uptrending market, right? But right here, the previous resistance got broken, which basically means that the market has a tendency of going down to the downside to this point, and that is going to make a move of how many pips? Of around 140 pips move. All right, so let's wait and see for this euro USD to come back up again to retrace to this level. Then we're going to sell it down to the to this price 1.16668. So let's just wait and see what exactly is going to happen, guys. All right, so yeah, I'm seeing that the market is going to make move during New York session today, guys, because there's no fundamental news that is going to happen during this London market. You can see it's only for Euro market, so and only Europe here. So you know, and it's even low and stuff like that. So no need for us to hurry and start to trade today, guys. So I'm seeing that the market is getting ready to you know, finish some retracement and all these corrective pattern moves. So let's just wait and see what exactly is going to happen in the meantime, right? Very important, guys. Okay, so we're trying to look out for another pair, or let me just check out what you guys are saying in the chat section so that it won't be as if I'm just talking to myself right here. Okay, Voco is saying that what about synthetic read? Can you look at it? Synthetic read? Which one is synthetic read? I don't actually know what do you mean by synthetic read, guys. I don't know that. Which one is synthetic read, please? I don't know that. Can you look at it? I don't know. So maybe you can just let me know which one is the synthetic read so that I can just, you know, check it out for you. Like I said, I don't fear new pairs or whatsoever. We actually trade everything in the forex market, right? So yeah, if you're talking of maybe volatility 75, I'm on a buy on V75 right at the moment. So I'm still holding it. So that's it, guys. And you know, still holding the trade on volatility 75 as well. Okay, so yeah, let's just wait for this particular trade to come up for retracement, which is Euro USD, before we are going to sell this particular pair being Euro USD to the downside, guys. So and the stop loss is going to be around 50 pips, so you can see that, to make about 135 pips. So let's just make it 130. We don't have to be greedy in the market, guys. We don't have to be greedy, right? So it's going to go down for about 130 pips. So you know, let's just monitor this trade and see what exactly is going to happen. And of course, I'm seeing some sort of support area here, so it might decide to come up to the upside. Let's just see what is going to happen in the meantime, guys. All right, so XAUUSD gold, please. Okay, all right, so Privilege is saying that we should check out XAUUSD for him, so we'll try and check out gold so that we can know what to expect when the market when the market starts to move on that particular pair being XAUUSD, right? Okay, guys, so let's go down to check XAUUSD. So this is XAUUSD right now, and of course it's at my support level, right? So you guys still remember when I did the analysis on XAUUSD some time ago? I think it was last week, thereabout, stuff like that. So right now you can see that I'm seeing a trend line breakout here. So this was a trend line. Let's just put it like this. This was a trend line. You see that? But the trend line got broken. Now try to retest. So let me mark this level out. You can see this from here, like that. That's the retracement that happened. So now if eventually XAUUSD break out of a price 1783.906, price 1783.906, 175.906. If it eventually break out of that level, next target point is going to be around price 1759.594. 1759.594. That's the next target, and after it breaks out of that, the next level is going to be around price 1679.851. That's going to be the next target. So right now, no need for you to trade gold, because as it is, gold right now is in a ranging zone. So wait for breakout to either to the downside or to the upside. It will determine where gold is going to go next. So right now is ranging. As you can see, you already know how a ranging market moves. A ranging market moves high, low, lower, high, high, low. So lower, high, high, low, lower, high, and stuff like that. So right now gold is ranging, and I don't actually like to trade a ranging market. So make sure that you follow your trading plan and stuff like that in order for you to execute trade and be profitable with the forex industry, right? So right now there's nothing interesting on gold as it is at the moment. It's just ranging and ranging, right? So no need for you to trade this, but I don't know if you trade ranging market. But me personally, I've said that I don't actually trade a ranging market, right? So that's what I'm saying on XAUUSD. If you have any question, you can ask me before we continue and go ahead with some other things in the forex market. Any question, privilege? Any question? You can ask a question if you have it before we go ahead and do other things. Any question? Like I said, you can ask your question, guys, before we go ahead. All right, he's saying that. Thank you, sir. All right, thank you, brother. I really appreciate it. So we're about to continue to do what we are supposed to do, right? All right, I appreciate your presence here, man. I appreciate your presence. So somebody is saying that step index. Okay, step index. Okay, right, I'll go down and check step index for you as well. And just a quick note, guys, if today is the first time right here on ITT channel, make sure you are subscribed to the channel and share this video to your friends and family. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys, and so that we can all be profitable trading forex when we learn how to, right? But if you did not learn how to be profitable, there is no way you can be profitable trading forex if you did not actually learn it, right? Okay, somebody say that US oil, please. Okay, we'll try and check US oil, and Akim is saying GU, which is GBPUSD, right? All right, guys. So this is how we can keep the channel, the group, or the platform running, so that we can just continue to analyze the market and stuffs like that. Very, very important. Okay, so yeah, let's go down and check out for US oil. But somebody is saying step index. Let me just go down and check out trading view for this what is it call it, binary.com. So like I said, I'm on a buy now on this volatility 75. So let me go down and check for step index crash boom. Let me check out for it. This is step index, and of course step index is selling, by me looking. This is a downtrending market, so down, very, 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 very big downtrending market, man. You can see that on step index, boom, respecting this trend line. Very, very, very perfect downtrending market. You see this is respecting this trend line, guys. You can put it like this, like, yeah, exactly like this is okay. So this is step index, and what I'm saying is the market is making a very, very good move and great move to the downside, right? So what I'm saying is seeing some sort of a move to the downside. You can see this is step index. So right now there's no need for you to get in on this trade, because as it is, The market had already made the move to the downside, so no need for you to get in based on the fact that you end up maybe losing money and stuff like that. So wait for step index to come up to this point before you can sell it to the downside, since the market overall is down trading, right? Wait for step index to come up to this point, guys, like this, before it's going to continue to go down to the downside. So that's what I'm seeing on step index. There's no need for me to stay 100 hours, 200 hours before I'm able to know where the market is going. I'm just trying to explain to you guys so that you can understand some of the things that I consider before I get into any trade in the forex market, right? But if it is me, I would just spend maybe 1 minute, 1 minute, 1 minute. I'm done with my analysis, guys. 1 minute, I'm done with my analysis. No need for me to spend 100 hours and stuff like that trying to just do analysis. So you can see that's what I'm seeing on step index. It's going to sell, so wait for it to come up for retracement. And another thing is, it can come down to this support area like this before coming to this point, and boom, sell to the downside. That's what I'm seeing on step index. Is there any question? Is there any question, please? Okay, somebody's saying, what do you think about volatility 75? And I'll check out volatility 75 as well. But like I said earlier on, I'm on a buy on volatility 75. Me, my ITT students, premium and VIP, we are on a buy now in this what is it called it, on volatility 75. Let me just show it to you guys so that you can understand what we are doing on the VIP channel and stuff like that. You can see this is what we refer as a free Telegram channel. If you are not there, you can go and follow us right here on the Telegram, because it's free of charge, guys, free of charge. So no need therefore for you to compromise, saying, oh yeah, I don't know if this is real or whatsoever. This is real, because this is my Telegram channel. So any link that you are going to be seeing here for now is 100% legitimate, and that's my free Telegram channel. So this is ITT premium group chat. So you can see this is how we chat with my premium students. It's fantastic, man. It's fantastic. So they are able to ask me questions and a lot of things like that, so I answer them and stuff like that. So of course, if you are not yet joined us on this premium stuff, you can join us and let's kill the market together. So this is ITT VIP signals, where I only see currency pair signals here, guys. So you can see our previous signals and stuff like that. So you can also join us. It's just $50 per month, so 50 per month, so you can have access to these ITT VIP signals. So this ITT premium channel, this is it right now, and you can see that I'm in a buy or my V75, and of course I sent it some time ago. You can see right here, when I bought it, I say that I bought V75 around price 720611.68. That's when I bought volatility 75. So and of course, if you want to join us right here on the premium channel, you can do that right now by just paying the subscription fee, which are $350 for you to have access to this premium channel. And also you have access to this premium group chat, where you'll be able to chat with me and some other students that have been here for more than a year now. So you can do that right now by paying the subscription fee. So this is ITT V75 VIP signal, guys. So you can see I'm on a buy right now. This is it now on the volatility 75. I'm buying that. You can see close some about 1K already. So this is just the update for them and stuff like that. You can see it. So this is when I bought it and stuff like that. I manually updated them for this trade and stuff like that. So of course, if you want to have access to this, you can do that by paying the subscription fees, guys. Okay. All right, so yeah, let's go down to our main business where we are going to be just doing some analysis, and of course, we if we have any entry point, you know, we can do that by um, by I will just be checking it out, so that if you have um any entry points, I will let you guys know that this is the trade that I'm planning to take and stuff like that, guys. Okay, so far so good. We've spent about 25 minutes here, so we'll still continue with a lot of things, man. All right, so yeah, somebody is saying that we should check out for this US oil, so we'll try to do that. And also uh excuse me, and also we'll check out for GBP USD, right? So, and of course, Matthew is saying that makes perfect sense. I'm just coming back from month break, so this is good to refresh my memory. All right, that's cool, man. Well, you are welcome back. You are welcome back. Shout out to you for taking a month break. So, you know but it is what it is, man. I've not taken a, a break ever since we launched this premium and everything. About, I care about my students, man. I care about them very, very well. So it is what it is, and I want each and every one of you guys to succeed, man. I want us to succeed in this forex trading. And of course, if you actually commit and stay focused, you can actually make lots of money trading forex in the forex market, guys. All right, because the market cap is about I say $6 trillion every day. That's the um, circulating market cap. So um, let's go down and check GBP USD, or let's check US oil. So I think that's going to be US oil, which is this crude oil. So this is US oil right now, guys. Let's go down to the daily time frame. So this is daily time frame. I think I did the analysis way back 2020, which is October 2020, when the market fell down. Okay, this was during COVID, so this was COVID-19 move, so this is what it is. I'm going to get rid of that because the market had moved already to the upside. So you can see by mere looking is moving to the upside, right? It's an uptrending market. So let's just put our support on this daily time frame, so that we can know what to expect when the market eventually decide to move from this point, right? Okay, let's just leave it at around 3 support and resistance. Then let's go down to 4-hour time frame. So you can see this is 4-hour time frame right now, guys, and you see that this is going to be the target points on this particular trade now. But I'm seeing another resistance zone right here. This is another resistance area, so I'm going to change the color to pink. This is for our time frame now. Okay, so now what I'm seeing on this trade is that let me mark this out as well, because the market is trying to be in a range. So yeah, the market will fall to this point, guys. It will fall here before it will eventually break out to the upside and retest again, boom, before coming up to around price 76.5 or 76.41, right? But right now the market will first of all fall to around price 67.72. That's where I'm seeing crude oil to fall to, because this is a ranging market, and of course I don't like to trade ranging market. So but this is a ranging market, guys. It will fall to this point. As you can see, if this market closes as a doji, that's created an indecision in the market, so no need for us to trade it by then and stuff like that. So all right, so yeah, do you have any question about US oil and stuff like that? So that's what I'm seeing on US oil. And of course, if today is your first time here, guys, and you are not yet subscribed to the channel, you can do that by just clicking on the right on the red subscribe button on your screen right now and subscribe to the channel. Also, don't forget to turn on your bell notification icon so that you'll be notified whenever time we go live and direct here on YouTube, right? And of course, make sure you're giving this video a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. Very, very important, guys. Okay, so yeah, do you have any question about crude oil before we continue with today's uh, trading? So yeah, somebody is saying that how do you take your entries, if that's okay to ask. So I'm not willing to share that right here on YouTube. Sorry for that. So my students, they are the only one that have access to that. But of course, let me just give you some tip. I actually take my entry point on the 5 minutes and 15 minutes time frame. Let me just tell you that. But sharing it in details is not everything that I'm going to be sharing it in details right here, guys. So yeah, sorry for that, but that's the reality. I don't just say things and see I do this and stuff like that. That just it, man. That just it. Okay, somebody is saying that JK is saying, did you look at GU, which is GBPUSD? Let's check out for GBPUSD. And of course, GBPUSD might be one of the pair that I want to trade today, but you can see EURUSD is still pushing, and I'm keeping my eye on all of these things, guys. So don't just say, yeah, Israel, you just forgot about your analysis and stuff like that. I monitor them right now. Okay, so AUDUSD is trying to push back up to the upside. I will see how far it's going to continue to move, right? So let's just wait and see. Let's just wait and see, guys. All right, so let's get it. And also hope you guys are eating and eating and eating and eating. So let's get it, man. All right, let's go down and check GBP USD. GBP USD, where are you, man? So this is GU right now, and what I'm seeing on GU is gonna go down for some sort of retracement. Let me go down to daily time frame. Okay, GU is going to continue to push back up to the upside, guys. It's going to continue to go up to the upside, but before that, let me do my support and resistance as usual. Then look out for candlestick patterns and stuff like that. My trading strategy is very, very simple. Very simple if you know what you are doing, and very, very quick to adapt to. You can easily understand how I trade and stuff like that if you actually uh, have a zeal to study it and things like that. So there's no need for you to complicate your trading chart or whatsoever by adding different indicators. I'm not saying that indicator doesn't work or whatsoever, but basically uh it doesn't work for me, guys. It doesn't work for me. So everything in this life depends on your personal choice, right? So as for me, they don't work for me, so that's why I had to go for naked chart and stuff like that. So this is GBP USD. So we are back on the 4-hour time frame now, but I'm seeing double top right here. That's another thing, double top formation. So now GU is going to come down here, man, before it will actually go back up to the upside again. That you see, there's nothing much on GU. Nothing much on GU. So wait for GU to come down to this point, and of course it's going to come down because this is inverted head and shoulders on this. I'm seeing inverted head and shoulders. That's another market pattern. So yeah, I don't just randomly say things, guys. As you can see right now, I'm observing candlestick pattern, and also I'm observing market pattern. Also, I'm observing market structure. I'm not just looking at the chart and telling you random things that might happen or stuff like that. I'm not doing that. I have the picture of everything in my head. So I know exactly what the market will do, and you know, I can tell you when the market will do it, how it will happen, and stuff like that. So that's just it. So expect the market to come down to the downside before it's going to continue to go back up. So the move is going to happen for about 95 pips. So you just wait and observe what exactly is going to happen on GBPUSD, and of course I'm seeing that it's going to sell to this point before it will eventually buy to the upside, right? So that's what I'm seeing um, on GBPUSD. All right. So yeah, that's that for GBPUSD, guys. So right now I couldn't see any trade opportunity and stuff like that. So of course I'm still waiting for all of this market to make this moves before I will start to trade for the week, guys. But right now I'm still you know waiting for entry points to happen before I get into any trade. Like I said, even Euro USD is going to come up to this point before I will now decide to sell it. So let's just see. And of course you can put a sell limit here, sell limits, but I don't actually like to put sell limits. I like to do market execution. So that's just it, and that's just it for me, guys. All right. So yeah, like I said, there's no entry point right now. So we'll try and see if the market will give us some sort of entry point in the meantime. So let's just continue to see and wait what exactly is going to happen, guys, especially on all of these pairs, including GBP USD, right? So let's just wait and see, guys. So GU, of course, is going to come up to this point before it's going to sell and buy again later on, right? So yeah, those are the pairs that I'm, you know, looking and checking for the week, guys. So if you have any other pair that you want me to analyze, you can just send it in the live chat section so that I'll be able to check it out for you, right? So you are free to do that, guys. You are free to do that. So let's just see what is going to happen in the meantime, you know. All right, so if you have any question as well, this is the right time for you to ask your question. As it is right now, we are about to close the London live trading and stuff like that for the day. So uh, I'm open for any question right now before we close for the day, and we are going to still come back live and direct during um, New York session. And also, if you are not yet joined us on our free Telegram channel, you know, I'm just like kind of pleading with you to just join us so that we'll now be in touch, because after I'm not live here on YouTube, I will just be updating you guys on that free Telegram channel. That's where everything is going to be happening. So make sure you join that, and so that we can be connected on that stuff as well. And of course, if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, make sure you do that right now by subscribing and hitting the bell notification icon so that you'll be notified whenever time we come back live here, live and direct on YouTube, right? It is very, very important, guys. Okay, so make sure you do that right at the moment so that we'll be connected on this platform, right? So yeah, guys, so yeah, that's just that for London session. So I don't actually see some sort of entry points on all of these pairs that I'm intending to trade for the day, for the week. So let's just wait and see what exactly is going to happen in the meantime, you know. Of course, I will be updating you guys on whatever that is going on. All right, so of course you can see that I'm still holding this USD card, though I closed some position, but I'm still holding it. So yeah, in the few minutes now, you know, maybe we'll try to sell this as well. But since USD Euro USD is about to start selling, so this is going to still go up for some sort of retracement before to eventually go down to the downside. So I will keep on monitoring this trade and update you guys on whatever that is happening. Same thing with USD CHF, You can see, you know, I sold it last week as well. So something happening here. So let's just wait and see what exactly is going to happen. So we'll trade maybe new trade on USD CHF as well, you know. So that you see, guys, you can see last week we got it right here and the market moved to this point. So now we are seeing some sort of retracement to the upside. Then we're going to get in for another sell opportunity again on USD CHF. All right, guys. So those are the things that I'm seeing for the week, and those are some of the pairs that I will trade for the week, guys. And of course, somebody saying Euro NZD. So yeah, our time is up. So maybe I'll do that analysis and send it to you guys on our Telegram channel. So I will have Euro NZD in mind. Also, make sure you follow us on all of our social media platforms: Telegram, Facebook, YouTube, and also our Twitter handle. You know, make sure you do that right now. All the links are down in the description of this video, guys. You can find them and follow us right on our platforms. It's very good for us to be connected, guys. So yeah, once more again, thank you very much for joining, and I'm Israel the Trader, and I'm signing out. I will keep on updating you guys on whatever is happening in the market. As it is at the moment, I don't actually see any entry points right here on all of these spaces that we checked. So let's see when this 4-hour time frame can close in about 1 hour 4 minutes. So I'll update you guys on whatever is happening. Once more again, I'm Israel the Trader, and I wish each and every one of you a very good and very profitable week. So make sure you trade with a very good risk management, and also don't forget to withdraw your profit and secure the bargain. All right, guys, I'm signing out. Thank you very much, and have a nice day.